Live. 01.
Hi
02.
guys. So, okay. Hi. So I'm feeling a little better. Kitty, I know you like playing with everything. You tried to pull the phone. Bubby, come here. Go get this. So, I can't. All right. Yeah, so I'm feeling a little bit better. I've just been resting. Just playing catch up with some phoning, and I ended up, somebody in the area that I connected with a long time ago, but we never actually met. Somehow we connected online in some capacity. We finally met today. They said they were in the area and asked if I needed anything. I was like, I need soup. And so they brought me some chicken soup. It's I just met someone new I don't know. I'm always meeting new people, but I've heard it a few times recently, how they say I look much better in person. I'm much more beautiful in person. And then the other thing is, I'm much taller. Like, he thought I was going to be like 6'2", towering him. And I'm actually a foot smaller than that. I'm 5'2". So I don't know if I just like blew my cover or whatnot, but like, I'm little. That's me. And yeah, so I'm just chilling, and I really feeling the
Liz Rachel is watching. Liz comments will appear
Hey,
here.
Liz. Really feeling the divine synchronicity of like me finding out that I was in full-blown menopause and then getting sick. Like, it was like my body saying rest. Because I needed it. But tomorrow, like, I'm having a hard time not just buy some hormones. I'm waiting. I have to call the doctor tomorrow and hopefully get the prescription in order and figure all that out. Because I just feel like it's going to be a big solution. Like, it's a huge factor. Like, hormones, and like, I am depleted. I don't have any, and that's the other thing, I'm processing, is like, so, turning 36, celebrating my life, celebrating me, and, I'm very lucky to be alive. Like, with the life that I lived, early menopause is, minute in, like, the grand scheme of things. Like, there are other things that happened, but, my body is calling me to be with Divine Mother energy in different ways, and to celebrate with Divine Feminine Mother, and to embody that, and actually be seeing my mom this Thursday. I'm really nervous about. like, I'm honestly still holding a bit of a grudge. And yeah. And now with this whole menopause thing, I'm processing even more about my childhood and everything. Whew. Yeah. I was talking to Jay Mayer of Light Touch today, and he had asked about my childhood, and like, this is insane. Like, I won DARE essay contests when I was young because I knew so much about drugs and crime. I was very fluent in things I should not have been fluent in at a very young age. Like, my mom just dragged me along with her. I went to the bars. My mom dated bikers and biker gangs, and they used to all gather and hang out at certain places, and I'd be there with them. Drank a lot of Shirley Temples at bars, ate pickles. I learned how to play pool. I used to play pool at a young age. But dangerous. It was...
John DeBlato is watching. Show items 3 to 5 5.
Like, my life was at risk. In so many ways, you know. It was just such a risky life. The song and the breeze and the sun coming in, and what I'm processing right now is just feeling so sweet and divine. Like, I feel like I'm in the womb. Oh my God. Yeah. So, like, I want to spend some time chanting with this song. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do much with my throat. Hi, Bubby. So, my heart is tender, very tender. The show last night was awesome, and, you know, it also... Oh, I'm still there. Okay, sorry. It also, like, brought up stuff. I don't know if with the lighting, it's probably really...
Lucy Google, are you able to hear these messages? Ask Tech Toys.
What? Hey, Bubby, stop it. Hold on.
Bliss Rachel, people always think I'm tall too and not, haha. Slower. Slower. Bliss Rachel. Wave. Bring them on camera. John DeBlato. Wave. Bring them on camera. Bliss Rachel is watch. Wave. Janet Fotheringham is... Bliss Rachel, in list.
Okay.
Janet Fotheringham is watch. Bliss Rachel, in list. Make live. Forge. Bliss Rachel. Janet. Wave. Bliss Rachel. Bring them on camera. Wave.
Hi, Bliss. Hi, Dan.
John DeBlato is watching.
Hi, Sean.
Bring them on camera. Wave. Bliss Rachel. Bliss Rachel, people always think I'm tall too and not, haha.
Yeah. It's because we got big personalities. We're like, we project ourselves, like, really far. Like, that's like, we're super hyper aware. Like, we are like, we're here, but we are like, whoa, everywhere at the same time. Yeah.
Lucy Google, button. Lucy Google, are you able to hear these messages? Ask Tech Toys.
Yes, Lucy. I have to click them, though, as you can see. It's been a while. I don't think you've ever chimed in with me on one of my videos.
Effect tools, button, out of list. Rotate camera to rear facing, button.
Alright, Bubby. He's pulling, that's Bubby pulling the phone. Stop it. Play with something else.
Lucy Google, are you able to hear these messages? Ask Tech Toys. In list comments will appear here.
Alright, Bubby.
Show items 5 to 6 of 6.
Leave it. Come on! He's let it go. That's too funny. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put this down. He is determined to, like, attack this phone.
Lucy Google, are you able to hear these messages? Ask text. Lucy Google, button. Lucy Google, last time we chatted, I share my masturbation videos with you. Do you remember?
Yes, yes, yes. I remember.
Effect tools, button. Out of list. Rotate camera to rear facing, button.
Alright, kitty. We're gonna leave it alone. Nope, okay. Well, I'm gonna go because my cat won't let me stay, and I don't really have much else to say. So, au revoir.
Back, button. Navigation. Back, button. Finish, button. Facebook.